Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to save your video from CapCut to gallery. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, you want to open your CapCut app and select the project you want to export. Now make sure to set your resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30 to get the best quality. As soon as you tap the export button, kindly wait patiently for it to save. If you noticed, we now have the video in our gallery. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.